Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we're just going to do a breathing exercise together, more of a breathing meditation. And we won't need any props today, so I want you to be comfortable. That means you can sit anywhere. You can sit on your mat, on the floor. You can sit in a chair, on your couch, or on your bed. So I want you to find a comfortable seat, and we'll go ahead and get started. So I have decided to sit on my mat. Again, like I said, you can sit anywhere on your couch, a chair, or on your bed. If you're sitting outside, you can sit in the grass, wherever you want that is comfortable. That's where I want you to be. And just kind of ground your hips into where you are. If you're sitting in a chair, also think about planting your feet on the mat or on the ground. And if your feet don't quite touch the ground, just like mine, you can always have blocks or something underneath just to bring the ground up to your feet. Once you've gotten your foundation, sit tall in the spine, let your hands rest on your knees, roll the shoulders up and back so that the chest is open, and reach through the crown of the head so you're bringing some length to the neck and the spine. And we're just going to sit here and notice our breath. We're not trying to change it right now, just noticing our breath. And if you'd like, you can close your eyes. Feel the air rushing in and out of the nose. And just start to notice your breath. Notice the length of your inhales and exhales. Maybe you notice that the inhale and exhale are equal in this moment. Maybe you notice that the inhale is longer than the exhale. Or maybe you notice the opposite, that the exhale is longer than the inhale. Just acknowledge your breath for what it is in this moment. Are you taking shorter breaths, or are you taking longer breaths? Again, just acknowledging that. And from here, you can start to blink the eyes open if they are closed. Coming back into the space. And now that we've acknowledged our breath, let's check our posture again. Just sitting tall as we breathe, and as we sit and breathe, sometimes we kind of relax into our bodies. And you may find yourself slumping a little bit, so just checking your posture, sitting tall in the spine. So the first breathing exercise we're going to do is just regular breathing, inhaling through the nose and then exhaling out of the mouth. We're going to do that 5 times together. So again, sitting tall. Let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. then checking our posture one more time. And the last breathing exercise we're going to do is counting our breath. So we're going to do the same thing, inhaling through the nose, and we're going to exhale through the nose this time. But for the first 2 rounds of breath, we're going to inhale for the count of 4. We'll move up gradually. So the second 2 rounds of breath are going to be for the count of 5. And then the last 2 rounds of breath are going to be for the count of 6. So we're going to gradually deepen our breath. And I just want you to kind of notice how it helps in the end when we go back to our regular breathing. So sitting tall, first 2 rounds over the count of 4. So let's inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next round is for 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last round is for 6. Last 2 rounds are for 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last round, you can do it. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just return back to your normal breath. Notice if you go back to your short breaths or if your breaths seem a little bit longer than they were at first. We're just noticing, acknowledging our breath again. And then finally, we'll end with 3 rounds of breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth, and just noticing if it's a little easier to do this time. So sitting tall in the spine, let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Return back to your normal breath. Thank you so much for joining me for this short breathing section. And I hope that you were able to acknowledge your breath and deepen your breath as well. And maybe you take time to acknowledge how it made you feel as well. Think about how it relaxed you, how it calmed you, or even if it made you feel anxious. Everyone's different. So just kind of think about how your breath made your body feel and made your mind feel. So thanks for joining me today for this breathing session, and I will see you all in my next video.